Try these strategies if you want to succeed in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a very profitable investment if you take the time to learn the tips and tricks of the trade. Watching this video is a great first step to succeeding in your affiliate marketing venture. You are sure to find great tips that will improve the plan you have developed. When you design your site for your affiliate advertising venture, it is vitally important that you understand that you will not get paid unless your visitors click on the links that you post on your page. Many times, informational pages will not get you very many clicks, as most people visiting your site are not looking for a product. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, utilize time management software to record your different tasks. This will allow you to evaluate the amount of time that you spend on all of the different tasks you do, and eliminate potential bottlenecks. It can be surprising to learn how much time you waste on simple things like checking your email. To maximize the money you make from your affiliate marketing program, make sure that you present your information cleanly. You want to focus on the content and the advertising, not distracting your readers with other items to focus on. Ask yourself if you need each component and get rid of the ones that do not make you money. A good affiliate marketing system takes a lot of effort to maintain, it is simply the nature of the beast. If your affiliate marketing setup is well established and turning a consistent profit, consider hiring someone to manage it. Once your business is that big, your time is simply too valuable to spend on affiliate marketing. Incorporate these valuable tips in your affiliate marketing plan and you will reap the rewards. Much time and thought have been put into gathering this information for you to use. Take the time to absorb the information and apply it to your soon-to-be profitable affiliate marketing business. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.